students, welcome back in your science class. We are discussing chapter heat. In previous session of this chapter we have studied the modes of transfer of heat like conduction, convection and radiation. Today I am going to discuss why we wear light colored clothes in summers and dark colored clothes in winter. So let's understand this process by some activities. To understand better why we wear light colored clothes in summer and dark colored clothes in winter, first we see this activity. In this activity, I have taken two identical tins, same size of tin. One tin is painted black and other is painted white. Then pour equal amount of water in both the cans and insert a laboratory thermometer in both cans and fix on a stand. Then put it in the sunlight about 1 hour. After an hour, we will check the temperature of water in both cans, and we will find that water in blank painted can is warmer than the white painted can. This shows that black bodies are good absorber than the white bodies. So this concluded that black bodies or dark color objects are better heat absorber than the white. Let's see another activity. In this activity we also have taken two identical tin cans, one painted black, other painted white. Pour equal amount of water in both cans, fix thermometer as before, and in activity 1 I have put it in sunlight for an hour, and in this activity we will put it in these cans in shade for an hour. After an hour, we will check the temperature of water in both cans, and we will find that the water in black cans is temperature of water in black cans is lower than the temperature